Good morning YouTube, beautiful day here in Sweden. Me and my friend Fredrik, we're out on the range practicing. Right now we're doing a drill for position entry and exit, a small stage. I'm going to show you guys what we're doing in a while. So this is the stage we're shooting. What we're doing here is starting heels against the ledge here. So you get to practice starting with your feet parallel to each other. You have to step off, launch, and then you have to pass this wall here, engage that plate there, turn. You're going to want to shoot that target while moving, come into this bay here, engage that target, then swing back, that target, and finish off with that plate. Let's see how we do.
Are you ready? Stand by. Are you ready? Stand by. If finished, unload, show clear. If clear, hammer down, holster.
Okay, clock start at 591. See how we did. We went shot for shot on the plates. Got double over here. Double Charlie. Double Alpha. Yeah, cool little stage.